Hello everyone, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be, doing a makeup tutorial. Yeah, yep. That is what we are doing. We are going to be doing a makeup walkthrough. I changed my mind last minute, but hopefully I have everything that we need for this. We're going to be doing quite a fun little, my bed's messy. Watch out! That looks better, okay. Alrighty, so today we are going to be doing a kind of frosty makeup tutorial. So let's begin, shall we? So as I always do, I started with Milk Makeup's Cooling Water Depuffing Stick and I just put it underneath my eyes. I'm trying to use this up because I'm really trying to get in the habit of using products that I buy instead of just letting them sit around. The next thing that I did was take Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Original and I put that all over my eyes. I feel like those first two steps are kind of the two steps that I always do. Like, it's just always what it's like when I do makeup. So for the next step, I took out my Stila Cosmetics giant, palette of awesome. And, one of the only reasons that I use this palette is because of that white. And again, that is what I took from this palette. I grabbed the white from that corner and I put it again on my inner eyes. I always tend to take this and use the white on my inner eyes. That's just kind of like what I do. So I just put it all on the inside of my eyes, yada yada yada. And then I actually grabbed a blue that I purchased from the store Kiko Milano, which is no longer in the mall, and it just is the blue. I don't have a name for it, unfortunately, but I put it on just kind of the base of my eyelids. So this is where I got a little bit nervous because I had to do at least a little bit of a smoky look. I was going to go for black, but I was too scared, honestly, too scared. So instead, I went to my Urban Decay Alice Looking Glass palette and I used the really dark blue called Bandersnatch. And I just put this on the outside of my eyes and tried to make it at least a little bit smokier than normal. This is where I always struggle with makeup, is making it smoky. I really have to work and practice on this, so if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments down below. Besides that, all I did was add a little bit of the color Reflection from the same palette, just to add a little bit of warmth above the eyes. It's a very nice kind of nude color. And then I just did what I always do by finishing off my face. I ended up using Milk Makeup's primer as well as their Skin Tint SPF 30 foundation. And then my same blush as always from Bare Minerals. It's called Rose Radiance. And then I actually used I don't even know, it just says Ish Contour Kit in light medium, and I used the darkest color for a little bit of contouring. The last thing that I did, I was looking for kind of a brighter pink but still subtle lipstick, so I ended up using Milk Makeup's Work Lip and Cheek, and I ended up putting it on my lips because this gave kind of the bubblegummy look that I was looking for, since as you can see, it has a little bit of a shine in it, which is what I was looking for. I was looking for it to kind of match with the brightness of the eyes with the white. So this is what worked, and this is the end result. Alrighty guys, so this is the end result. I hope you like it. It took me about 20-ish minutes to do. I'm really trying to speed up but still be good because I take forever to do my makeup, but I really hope you like this. It was just a picture that I found on Pinterest and I was like, I'm gonna try and recreate it. So that's what I did. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below. You tell me. So what I really like about this one is it's kind of like very wintry, snow queen-y like. That's what I picture. When I see this, I think of snow queens and Frozen. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!